What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So last week I hopped on here with an intro video telling you guys about my journey into becoming a profitable trader. Well, it's a new week this week, and the question is, what now? What am I going to do moving forward? So this new week I would be back testing and also forward testing this particular strategy that I talked about last week. So without further ado, without much talk, let's get into it. I'm going to add the clip of my back testing video to this, and we would see how this particular strategy I've been talking about, how it played out in the course of last week. And I would also draft out my thoughts, or what I expect the market to do, or what I want to see the market do in this new space that we're in, this new week that we're entering. So look at it as my forward testing and also a little bit of back testing. So my outlook is from the daily range. I'm just tapping into the swing high and the swing low, and then 50% of the swing low. And I noticed there is a range that price hasn't mitigated. Yes, and by mitigation I mean price hasn't tapped into the so judging from my outlook, price didn't tap into the 50% of that particular range before trading down. So my outlook for this week would be that I would love to see price tap into the 50% of that particular range and then come back down with confirmation, of course. Except price doesn't give me that confirmation, then I won't be taking any sell trades. But for now, I'm looking to take more buys. I'm looking to take more buys for now until price taps into that other block I'm seeing at that range. Then I would take sales position. Moving forward, I just did a little bit of back test of last week price action and Euro US dollar to understand better how the power of 3 works. So I just took notes what each section does mostly, and I learned a couple of things. I learned a few things, and the one thing that was consistent, or the one thing that I learned, was that Asian session always accumulates, and then in between London and New York there is also a reversal, a manipulation and a reversal depending on where the draw on liquidity is. So moving forward, I would backtest this more, try to understand how I can apply this fund knowledge into the everyday markets. Yeah, with that being said, just sit back and enjoy the sessions, because I actually took notes. So just sit back and enjoy. So I just realized I lost my recordings from the previous video, but this is a screenshot of the aftermath of my back testing. I really appreciate if you've made it this far to the video. Thank you so much for the support.